Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this charcoal toothpaste. Fluoride free, chemical free, great for your teeth. Okay, so to make this toothpaste, these are the ingredients that you are going to need. You're going to need some coconut oil. You're also going to need some essential oils. I have peppermint and tea tree. Some salt, you're going to need very little. Activated charcoal. Bentonite clay powder, baking soda. I have a measuring spoon, tablespoon, and you're going to need a container. Make sure your container has no metal. You cannot use metal for this DIY. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay into our jar. So the bentonite clay encourages remineralization of the tooth enamel by neutralizing acids and bacteria. It also supplies our teeth with calcium and magnesium to strengthen them, and also maintains a naturally alkaline pH, which also draws out the heavy metals and the toxins that we might receive by what we're eating or the air that we're breathing in. So again, make sure that you are not using metal when you are handling the bentonite clay, because the clay will absorb the metal and it will lose the effect. Okay, so then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the activated charcoal. So the activated charcoal in toothpaste will help remove surface stains on your teeth. Okay, and then we're just gonna mix it all together to make sure that they're evenly distributed. Okay, so then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, so it'll help whiten your teeth. Okay, so once we mix everything together, we're going to add just a little dash of salt. So the salt will help whiten your teeth naturally and also will look after your gums. It is a natural antibacterial, so it's really good to put in the toothpaste. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. So the coconut oil will attack the harmful bacteria in our mouth. It'll also reduce the plaque buildup, and it will prevent teeth decay and help fight gum disease. Okay, so now to melt the coconut oil into the mixture, you can put the container into another container of warm to hot water and just mix it around and keep mixing it until everything melts and everything is mixed together. Okay, so once everything is mixed in and melted, you can add your essential oils. So you're going to add 20 drops of peppermint oil, and is known for its cooling and numbing effects, which can effectively soothe tooth and muscle aches. Research has also found that peppermint oil is very powerful for fighting oral pathogens and killing common bacteria that can lead to cavities and gum disease. Then you will add 5 drops of tea tree oil. The tea tree oil is a natural remedy for bad breath and contains ingredients that diminish plaque. It also has the ability to kill bacteria, diminish tooth decay, and relieve bleeding gums. Okay, now you just want to mix everything together. Okay, so this is what the final product looks like. So depending where you store it, it'll either be liquidy or it will harden up. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave in the description a link to where you can get every item, and thank you guys.